Before we start, make sure to subscribe for more quick productivity tips like this. Today, I'll show you how to schedule an appointment in Calendly step by step so you can set up meetings in minutes. First, log into your Calendly account. On the home page, look in the upper left corner and click Create. You will see options for one-on-one meeting or a group meeting. For this example, we'll choose one-on-one. A setup panel will appear on the left. Start by giving your meeting a name, something like consultation or coffee chat, depending on its purpose. Next, choose the duration, from a quick 15 minutes to a full 2 hours. Then set the location. Click the location field to pick from options like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or other platforms. Under availability, set the specific days and times you're open to meet. This ensures people can only book when you're truly free. If you want, you can also select an event type to better categorize the meeting. Once you're happy with the settings, click Create. Calendly will generate a shareable link. This is what you send to your invitees by email, text, or even embedding it on your website so they can book time with you instantly. And that's it. You've scheduled an appointment in Calendly and made it easy for others to find a time that works for both of you. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more Calendly tips.